Okay, we're here at Laneway Home that we're getting close to finishing up, and I wanted to show you something. We're going to use this home, or the homeowner is going to use this home for short-term rentals on Airbnb. And there's going to be a lot of people coming through it. There's going to be a lot of wear and tear. So we came up with a great idea. Actually, Nick did, one of our site supers. So I'll give him the credit for that. But we're going to be putting a solid surface countertop on this kitchen here. And what we're going to do is, when we do the cutout for the sink, here's our sink. When that goes in, we're going to cut out the piece and we're going to save it. And we're going to put that piece on that windowsill there to get a nice solid surface. So when normally they're drywall, right now they're drywall, but even if you put wood on it, it's going to, over time, it's going to get scratched up and need to be repainted, and that'll be one of the wear points. So with the solid surface countertop on there, that'll protect it. And then there's other cutoffs that we are going to be using for right here on here. So when plants go up here and various things, it will completely protect that surface.